Hey everyone, today we're diving into something pretty powerful, a 21-day challenge that's all about shifting your mindset from not enough to more than enough. We're gonna break down the entire daily routine step by step, but it all starts with one really big question. And here it is. Can your thoughts actually shape your financial reality? I mean, really? Well, everything we're about to talk about is built on the idea that the answer is a huge, resounding yes, that what's happening in your bank account is a direct reflection of what's happening in your head. So, what even is an abundance mindset? Well, at its core, it's this deep down belief that there's plenty to go around for everyone. I just love this metaphor of a tree with endless leaves. It's not about fighting for a bigger piece of a small pie, it's realizing the pie is infinite. It's a reality you just have to learn to tap into. So here's our roadmap for today. We'll start with the why, how to reprogram your mind. Then we'll jump into the challenge itself. We'll cover the super important morning affirmations and the evening gratitude practice. And finally, we'll talk about what it looks like to actually live this way. All right, first up, reprogramming your mindset. You know, before we get into the what to do, we've got to understand why this stuff even works. And it all boils down to just how powerful our thoughts really are. This is the key principle right here. It's like a chain reaction, right? Your thoughts create your feelings. Your feelings drive your actions. And your actions, well, they create your reality. So if you want to change your life, you can't just change what you do. You have to go all the way back to the source and change what you think. Okay, let's get into the challenge itself. And look, this isn't just about thinking happy thoughts and hoping for the best. It is a structured, intentional process designed to build a totally new financial blueprint inside your mind. So, why 21 days? That number isn't just pulled out of a hat. There's actually some real science behind it. And here's the why. It's believed that about 21 days is what it takes for our brains to form new neural pathways. I want you to think of it like you're cutting a new path through a dense forest. At first, it's hard work, right? But every single day you walk that same path, it gets clearer and easier. Eventually, it becomes the default route. That's exactly what we're doing with our thoughts about money.
All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Part 1 of your daily routine is the morning affirmation practice. This is all about starting your day on your own terms, setting a powerful intention for abundance before the noise of the world gets to you.
The routine starts with a really simple physical ritual. First, just find a comfortable place to sit. Then, rest your hands on your lap with your palms facing up. This is a physical posture that tells your body and the universe that you are open and ready to receive. And finally, just take 3 slow, deep breaths to quiet your mind and get centered. Now for the affirmations. The first one directly challenges that old story that making money has to be a hard struggle. When you repeat, "Money flows to me easily and effortlessly," you start to rewire your brain for flow instead of resistance. Oh, this one is so important. A lot of us, deep down, have this sneaky feeling that we don't really deserve good things. That feeling can subconsciously block us from ever getting them. So affirming, "I am worthy of prosperity and success," gets right to the root of the problem. You're giving yourself permission to succeed. I absolutely love the power shift in this one. See, instead of feeling like you have to chase and hunt for opportunities, this affirmation turns you into a magnet. "I attract endless opportunity" means good things are naturally drawn to you because of the positive vibe you're putting out there. And maybe the most powerful affirmation of all, "Everything I desire is already mine." Now, this isn't about just pretending, it's about feeling. Right now, in your body, the emotions you would feel if you already had everything you wanted. You're aligning your energy with your goals. Okay, so you've set your intention in the morning. Now let's talk about the perfect bookend for your day, the evening gratitude practice. This is all about looking back and noticing all the abundance that already showed up. This affirmation really ties the whole day together. See, gratitude is like an amplifier. When you focus on what you're thankful for, even the smallest things, you're basically training your brain to spot more good things. It's a cycle that just keeps bringing more and more abundance into your life. So how do you make this a real habit? With a joy journal. It's super simple. The whole point is to train your brain to focus on the good stuff. So every evening, you just take a minute and physically write down a few things that brought you joy that day. This simple act of writing it down helps lock in those new positive neural pathways you're building. All right, let's bring it all home. because this 21-day challenge, it's not just a checklist of things to do. It's a launching pad for a totally new way of being in the world.
This is what it's all about. After 21 days of practice, the goal is for this abundant mindset to become your natural default state. You start to just radiate this calm, positive energy. You literally start to see the world through a new lens. It's not something you do anymore, it's just who you are. So I'll leave you with this final thought, because really, the practice starts right now. It's all about making a choice. So take a look around you, right now. What bit of abundance, big or small, are you going to choose to see today?